Hey, it's Keith, Katie's Garage. I gotta just keep an eye on this fire back there. Anyway, I'm working on this bike right here. This cable right here broke. It's for the brakes. It's the only brakes it has. And the cable broke. And it's got this gyro deal on here where so you can spin the handlebars around. It pulls up this, pulls the two cables, and they both go up at the same time, which pulls this up and it does the brakes. So I bought this here BMX bike gyro brake cable set. So that's this right here. I'm going to try to put this on here. I think it has everything I need. It kind of looks like it. So let me start tearing this apart and putting this on there. Okay, we undid this bolt here. Undid this nut here that was up here. We took, no, it was like this. Like this, like this, like this. All right, so then we took this off.
Oh, this was on top of this.
And that was on that there. We took this like there. Yeah. Oh, it was like sitting like this. So now we're just unscrewing this piece here. We had to take these here. You pull them. Where was it? Yeah, it was grabbed. It was caught right here. So we just pulled it down, got it out of that little groove. I'm going to show you when we put this back together how we do it. Unscrew this. Come on. Oh, it's two pieces. Good. So I don't know how this looks like. It just has to come out and it'll come off, I think.
Unscrew it.
I can't. How do you?
Probably unscrew it and take it off.
Oh, unscrew this all the way. Yeah. Well, unscrew this all the way. Then we gotta get this line off. I made it. Get rid of the slack here. Maybe I should pull this out here. Maybe I should get this out right here. It's been a little while since I worked on bikes.
Hello.
Yeah, I know. Hold. I'm just go get whatever size wrench this is supposed to be. All right. Let me get a wrench. Take this off. That will release all the pressure. Oh, look, it goes. Huh, interesting.
Yeah, like I did this.
Hold on, I gotta make sure we can use this because this is gonna go here. How does it? See this weird thing here? It like tees off. Maybe we just replace this top piece. What do you think? Maybe we just replace this. Different lengths? Wow, it's. Or maybe it's this one. It's that one. Yes, this one's really long. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to replace this one cable. So stop touching that. Or you want to replace those pieces? The new pieces?
Greasy and old.
This should be greasy. It's a different style though. I think, let's say. Nah, it looks the same. Alright, we're going to get this off. We're not going to replace this line here. I'm going to leave it. Those are fine. Just going to replace the top one. So, put these here, screw these into there. This is the original one because you have to, looks like you have to pop the bearing off and then pop this off. We're not doing that. It's just a piece of metal. Same piece of metal that they give you. Whatever the new one is. It's just a piece of metal. So, whatever. Use the old bottom, new top. Cable comes here. I had to cut this cable. All I did was just cut this. It's just plastic sheathing. And they give you these things here. Goes on the end of the plastic. Where does it? So on the end of the the plastic, you have this little, that little metal protector. So that's what this is. And it looks like there's supposed to be like some kind of nice crimper that goes on there. I don't have that. Take it, put it on there, and then I just crimped it with the cutting end of this. I just crimped it so it won't move. So that's what I did there. Once I'm done, they have these little pieces here. You crimp these two on the end of the cable. You'll see the cable in a second. So I ran that, cut this to the right length. Now you have all this cable here. So now I'm going to tighten this. This is a little 10 millimeter. We're going to have my son press on the brakes against the rim. Yep. Now see this little slack here? I got to pull a slack. Oh, this came off. So this here, just as a hook, it just hooks on right there. I got to get this back on. It's in there, right? Yep. Once it's tight, that will not come out. Pliers on here. All right, are they against? Oh, okay. Is it against it? All right. Wait. I'm gonna have to cut this end. All right, let's see. Tighten this. Let's crunch the cable. Okay, I have all this cable. We gotta do something with that. So what I'm gonna do is, you can just cut it, yeah. I'm gonna put some electric tape on here and then cut it with this saw. See if that works. I'm doing this, hopefully it won't fray. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Ready? Cut it right here.
Whoa, I'm getting stuck.
Ha!
That felt cool.
You got sparked?
Yeah.
But look, it didn't fray the end. When you cut it with the pliers, where's the... So if you cut this with pliers, you just take it and cut it like this, it always frays the end. Let's see what the end looks like. Yeah, it's
What does that mean? Oh, it's just like...
It's a little more frayed than this. This is like perfect. I probably didn't have to tape it.
pretty sharp.
No, it's sharp, but it's not frayed. There we go. It's not frayed. The other one was frayed. Not a-frayed, just frayed. Which end was it? This one? That was like splitting. I don't know if it's focusing on it. Anyway, throw it away. Okay, so now I'm going to take this little guy, put it on here, and crunch it. Make sure it doesn't come off. Yep, and we're good. All right, that's that part. Now we got to put this part back together, which is this cable. Oh, we got to put all this gadgetry back on, right? Mm-hmm. So this got knocked over, so we're not using that. We're not using that. So on top of here went a washer, pretty sure. And then the spacer, right?
Yeah.
And then this thing that held it in, right? Like this or like this?
It was flat.
You sure? Because then this was sitting on here, wasn't it? Oh, this looks like it was hitting the bearing. We messed up.
That goes on the bearing.
Yep, this goes on the bearing because it looks like a race. So this goes on the bearing. We have to screw this like that. No, it goes like that because it centers the bearing. Okay. This makes your... Okay, that's good. All right, now what? Now a spacer, right?
We go up and go down.
It doesn't matter, but there's a slot in it. Then a spacer.
That way, I think.
That way.
In this part.
Let me see. What is that nut? Oh, that's a space. That's a washer, right? Oh, did you want to use a new one? Here, get the new one on there. There we go. New one's got this.
There's a new spacer too.
And then the nut. All right, there you go. That's the assembly. And then you take the handlebars, put them in, tighten that bolt there. We have to put. No, we have to put the handlebars on now, and then put the other cables. All right, 1 second. Okay, so we messed up. This has to be flipped over.
We gotta take this out.
So we gotta take these out, unscrew these. When we went to put the handlebars on, it didn't line up. These here didn't line up. So we had the silver piece like this on the bike, and you have this piece here, and if you put this piece over, it doesn't line up with these two. These are too far in, and the cable just kept popping out. If you go like this, and they line up. Big one on top. So that's what we have to do. So now we gotta get these out. Get these out, flip it over, and we'll be back where we just were. We had the whole thing together, and we're taking it apart. Let's not break it. Let's see, so is this off?
Put it down.
All right. See that? We got it. Yay.
Yay.
Now I put this side here. I'm just gonna leave it loose, right? All right. So now,
Yeah, but then it's just gonna pop off.
well, let's fix this end over here then. All right. Squeeze it. Now pull this. Washer.
Hmm.
All right. Washer, spacer.
Hey, remember anymore.
Yeah, we use parts in the garbage. Should be another washer. Is it there? Oh no. We'll put it on. No, it's on here already.
It's already on.
This. Pull this. Now this has to go. Put that washer on. The nut. We do this. Here. No. Oh, can you do it?
Yeah.
Alright. What else? Okay. That one's on. Well, we'll grab it first. We fan that way. Pull it up. There, it's on. Okay, straight. Oh, let's tighten. Straighten the wheel. Tighten this here. This nut. This is gonna be a great video. Look at that. Okay. Steer wheel straight. Steer wheel. Is the steer wheel? Yeah. All right, let's see. Brakes. Oh, wow. Yep, good brakes. All right, let's clean this mess up. Throw some junk away. All right. That's it. It's done. So let me just recap. We kept the old bottom here, new. Make sure these line up. We got plenty of adjustments now, too. Make sure these line up, and then this will line up. These will line up here. So the big one on the top. That's what we learned. Washer, nut, head. We got this off an old bike. This one disappeared. We don't know what happened to it.
That's the right one.
And here you go. You got the dual to one. Comes over here. Then it splits off. This is part of this little splitter right here. One goes here, one goes here. I don't know why they did these kind of brakes. Anyway. But there you go. And the rest of the stuff, I'm just going to probably save it. Put it in the bike miscellaneous parts. And we have another, I don't know what we use this cable for. But it's an extra long cable for something. Put that in the bike parts too. Alright, thanks for watching. You'll see me in the next video. Who knows what it's going to be. Maybe we'll be fixing something else. I don't know. See you guys later.